Title: Roth IRA versus Traditional IRA, which is right for you? Introduction. Opening shot: a person looking at their retirement options on a laptop or reviewing financial documents. Narrator: when it comes to planning for retirement, two of the most popular options are Roth IRAs and traditional IRAs. But what's the difference between them, and which one is right for you? In this video, we're going to break down both accounts and help you understand how they work, so you can make the best choice for your future. Section 1. What is a Roth IRA? Cut to a simple animation showing how a Roth IRA grows over time. Narrator: first, let's talk about the Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is a retirement account that allows you to contribute after-tax money. This means that you pay taxes on the money before you put it into the account. The biggest benefit here: your withdrawals during retirement are tax-free, as long as you're over 59 and a half and the account has been open for at least 5 years. Cut to a visual of a person withdrawing money with no taxes taken out. Narrator: so, with a Roth IRA, you're paying taxes up front but getting the peace of mind that your investment growth and withdrawals won't be taxed later. This is great if you expect your taxes to be higher in retirement or if you want to avoid tax surprises down the road. Section 2. What is a traditional IRA? Cut to a different animation showing a traditional IRA growing with pre-tax contributions. Narrator: now, let's talk about the traditional IRA. Unlike the Roth, a traditional IRA is funded with pre-tax money. This means your contributions reduce your taxable income in the year you make them, which can help you lower your current tax bill. Cut to a person looking at a lower tax bill thanks to their traditional IRA contributions. Narrator: the downside is that when you withdraw money in retirement, it's taxed as ordinary income. So, while you're getting a tax break now, you'll be paying taxes later when you take out the money. Section 3. Key differences. Quick comparison. Cut to a split screen showing both IRA types with text bullets comparing them. Narrator: let's do a quick recap of the main differences between these two. 1. Tax treatment. Roth IRA contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Traditional IRA contributions are made with pre-tax dollars, but withdrawals are taxed as income. 2. Income limits. Roth IRA, there are income limits for eligibility. For 2025, single filers making over $153,000 and joint filers making over $228,000 can't contribute to a Roth IRA. Traditional IRA, no income limits for contributions, but the ability to deduct those contributions from your taxes can be phased out depending on your income and whether you or your spouse is covered by a workplace retirement plan. 3. Required minimum distributions, IMDs. Roth IRA, no required minimum distributions, which means your money can continue to grow for as long as you like. Traditional IRA, you must start taking IMDs at age 73, whether you need the money or not. 4. Contribution limits. Both accounts have the same contribution limits for 2025, $6,500 per year, or $7,500 if you're 50 or older. Section 4, which is better for you? Cut to a person weighing options between the Roth IRA and traditional IRA with thought bubbles showing tax benefits and growth. Narrator: so, which one should you choose? Well, it depends on your goals and your current financial situation. If you're in a lower tax bracket now than you expect to be in retirement, a Roth IRA might be the better option. You pay taxes now while your tax rate is low and avoid paying higher taxes later when you're retired. On the other hand, If you're currently in a high tax bracket and need the tax break now, a traditional IRA can help lower your taxable income today, allowing your money to grow tax deferred until you retire. Section 5, Final Thoughts. Cut 2, a person meeting with a financial advisor, discussing their options. Narrator: ultimately, the choice between a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA comes down to when you want to pay taxes, now or later. Both are excellent tools to help you build wealth for retirement, so think about your current financial situation, future income expectations, and retirement goals. And remember, it's always a good idea to speak with a financial advisor to make the best decision for your specific needs. Conclusion. Closing shot: a happy person planning for their future with a clear view of their retirement goals. Narrator: whether you go with a Roth IRA or traditional IRA, the most important thing is to start saving for your future. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So, get started today, and take control of your retirement planning. End screen. Subscribe for more financial tips and insights.